Most real estate investors have an LLC. Hopefully they've got a trust, but are you using it correctly? Did you implement it well? Is it doing its job? And here's another good question. What's your biggest asset? Like, what are you really trying to protect? Are you trying to maximize growth, maximize profits, things like that? Well, if you're thinking about any of these things, maybe you don't even have an LLC and you just need to get started. You need some protection. You're not even looking to maximize anything. Well, make sure that you join the Michigan Real Estate Investors Association on Saturday, August 22nd. We're hosting Lee Phillips, who is a phenomenal, skilled real estate investor attorney who has tons of years of experience helping investors maximize their returns, keep their assets safe, and maybe we're going to learn some things about taxes and the tax code and how we can set up our businesses successfully. So this is not a free workshop. You have to pre-register at DetroitREIA.com. It is free to premium MREIA members, but for everybody else, you are going to have to pay. You've got to pre-register DetroitREIA.com and come join us August 22nd, 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the MSU Management Education Center. Hope to see you there.